back to my channel and welcome to my second Christmas vlog of my series of 3 Christmas vlogs. Last week was minimal Christmas decor and this week is minimal Christmas gifts. It's gonna be a very fun day, and at the end I'm gonna show you all the gifts that I'm giving my kids. I love gift giving. I love this part of Christmas, so this just revs me up. Make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate that because that's how you support me as a YouTuber. It helps boost our channel and our videos. So thank you so much, and let's get going.
All right, notepad, check. Pen to cross off things on notepad, check. Water, check. The egg muffins I made this morning that I'm going to try. They don't look bad. Oh, they're sticking to the pan. Oh, she looks cute. This is my breakfast. Wow, not bad. Little on the cold side, but that'll do, donkey. That'll do.
Okay, and since it can't be a Christmas video without Christmas cookies, here's my healthy, yummy, and super easy cookie recipe. Did I mention it's only 5 ingredients? Almond flour, organic honey, coconut oil, baking soda, and salt, a good sea salt. You can also add some sprinkles. My little ones love sprinkles, so I try to add them in. Start with 1 3/4 cup of almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a 1/4 cup of ghee or coconut oil. I actually ran out of coconut oil, so I used ghee. And then a 1/4 cup of honey. I like to heat up my wet ingredients so that they mix easier with the dry ingredients. And here we go. Mixy. Then knead your dough on a piece of parchment paper, flatten it out, and then use your cookie cutters to form the happiest little Christmas cookies you ever did see. Finally, just throw them on your baking sheet on top of parchment paper so they don't stick, and then cook them for about 7 to 8 minutes at 350 degrees, depending on the crispiness that you prefer.
Okay, can you do Christmas minimally? My answer is yes, because minimalism isn't having as little as possible. It's being intentional with what you have, making a purpose behind everything that you own, everything that you have. So that's how I give gifts during Christmas. We do 4 gifts plus a bonus gift from, and the 4 gifts that we give are something you want, something you need, something to wear, and something to read. This makes it super easy, and as you can see, they're intentional. Every item has purpose to it. So I'm gonna show you what I got my kids. Oh, these right here are from, I got them pre-wrapped in the exact wrapping paper that I was envisioning. I'm gonna have gorgeous bows on them. I want them to be wrapped differently. They are educational toys, but they're very fun. They're hands-on. One is a building type thing for Riker, and one is a little fat brain educational toy for Gunners. Okay, so let's go through my 4 things for Gunner. Something you want, this bad boy. I caught him the other day playing with one of these at the store, and he was distracted for like 5 minutes. He loves stacking things at this moment of his life and putting things together. Very cute. That's his want. Something you need. I found these at the register the other day and I was like, oh, look at these. These are the cutest things. A spoon and a fork, but it's a tractor. I play that game all the time with my kids where I'm like, so this will be really fun. It'll be fun for me too. Something to wear. Now this is the one item in both Riker and Gunner where I actually had to go to the mall. I tried to shop only locally this year to support my St. Louis small businesses, but I did get these at the mall because I didn't find anything at small businesses. I found this set for Gunner. This is the top and this is the bottom. Cutest little things, and he's so tubby and stocky, so it'll just be so cute on him. And then I got this at the secondhand store, which I thought was really, really cute, great for Christmas and just the winter season. So I will probably wear this on Christmas because we normally have Christmas dinner. And then something to read, Beatrix Potter, Peter Rabbit, A Spring Surprise, very, very cute. Riker also loves Peter Rabbit, so I think they'll both enjoy having this together. Maybe they'll read it together in a perfect world. And then I got this book, Welcome to the Symphony, where you turn it on and you can play the violin, the cello, you can hear all these instruments. I want them to appreciate it the way my parents helped me appreciate music as well. That's why I'm starting them early. And Gunnar can't read anything, neither can Riker. So hopefully this will do the trick. Now for Riker. He's at the age finally where he understands presents and what he's getting. So it's very, very fun for me and actually made it kind of a challenge to stay minimal, because I just want to give him the world. Every parent does. Lo and behold, I got him a fire truck. This is so nifty because it's kind of like a clothy material, but it has wires that hold it up. It's 4 feet long, great for imaginative play. And Riker's imagination these days is like fireworks going off. It is so cute. He already has a fireman helmet. This is gonna be fun and keep him distracted for a while. This one hasn't come in yet. It should come in maybe today or tomorrow, but I got him an apron. I will show it right here. I got it from Etsy, so supporting a small business shop. He and I cook and bake all the time together. He always asks to wear mine, but it's rather feminine and girly, so I got him a little handsome little boy's apron. And then something to read. We've got How Things Work. Open it up and it's got a million, now that is such an exaggeration. I'm working on my exaggeration these days, okay? It's got maybe 8 flips on each page, which is very good for Riker because he loves exploring, feeling, looking, and he needs things that keep him busy for a long period of time. And then lastly, very excited about this one, we got him his first Bible. This is the Niv Adventure Bible, full color inside. When you open it, let me just flip through. See, there's just a bunch of really cool illustrations and colors. Obviously he can't read yet, but I remember carrying around my Bible. I remember what it looks like and everything. And I just hear from some of my favorite mothers and people I look up to, the more you read from scripture to your children, the better. So I'm doing that as much as I can. And now to read it from his Bible, that's really sweet. Something to wear for Riker. I got him 2 sweaters. One white sweater, a waffly material. He has the most beautiful pale skin with like a dusty strawberry blonde, and just this color looks so handsome on him. And then I got him another blue sweater because he's got blue eyes, like bright blue eyes with his little freckles, just gonna be so cute. It feels really good to 1, have this done, 2, have done it minimally and very intentionally. And I just love giving gifts, like I've said before. You guys, these things are so good. I put these ones in the fridge and I like the texture after they've been in there overnight. Pretty good. Okay, a few things. If you've noticed the bags under my eyes, it's because I've been up with my children for the last 4 nights for like 1 to 2 hours. Different babies each night, but they've just had varying things they're going through, from a bad dream to cuts on hands that are hurting. Whew, it's been an interesting last couple days, but I can say that with a smile on my face because I can hold them at night while they're struggling and just be so grateful. And like, this is so fulfilling. I love motherhood, even the hard times, but hence why I've got some major bags under my eyes. Anyway, that concludes this vlog. I will see you next week. Actually, I'm gonna give you another bonus video of the surprise that I planned for Tate. Maybe Friday, maybe Saturday. I was gonna put in this one, but it got way too long. I'm gonna give you a separate video, which is fun. Then my last Christmas video on Wednesday next week. Have a lovely day. Stay minimal, my friends, and I will see you on Friday.